this video, we'll be revealing 5 beautiful cities to visit in Germany. 1. Berlin, Germany's capital, is a city of vibrant culture and rich history. Key attractions include the Brandenburg Gate, the Berlin Wall Memorial, and Museum Island. The city's dynamic arts scene, eclectic neighborhoods, and poignant historical sites make it a must-visit destination. 2. Munich, known for its beautiful architecture and lively festivals, is home to the iconic Marienplatz, Nymphenburg Palace, and the annual Oktoberfest. The city's rich Bavarian culture, stunning parks like the English Garden, and numerous museums add to its charm and appeal. 3. Hamburg, a major port city, boasts stunning harbor views and maritime history. Highlights include the Speicherstadt Warehouse District, the lively Reeperbahn, and the Elbphilharmonie Concert Hall. Hamburg's blend of modernity and history, along with its vibrant waterfront, makes it a fascinating city to explore. 4. Heidelberg is renowned for its romantic charm and historic sites. The Heidelberg Castle, overlooking the picturesque Old Town and the Neckar River, is a major attraction. The city's ancient university, cobblestone streets, and vibrant cultural scene create a delightful and timeless atmosphere. 5. Cologne is famous for its impressive Gothic cathedral, the Kölner Dom, and its vibrant arts and cultural scene. The city's historic Old Town, lively Rhine River waterfront, and numerous museums make it an engaging destination. Cologne's annual carnival adds to its lively and festive character. These 5 places offer immersive experiences, weaving history, nature, and culture into the fabric of unforgettable journeys.